Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Saturday and I think it's been a little bit of some time since I last filmed and since I last posted a video on my channel. And if you guys follow me on Instagram and if you guys saw my post on my community section of my channel, then you guys know that I've kind of just taken a step back from posting my regular content, posting videos, Instagram stories and all that, because you know, we are in a circumstance right now where I don't think or where I don't feel comfortable posting things that are not related to the Black Lives Matter movement and just raising awareness for police brutality in the US and all that stuff. I first of all needed a mental break from like my regular stuff, just because I wasn't feeling motivated to, you know, post stuff about my life when there's people out there that are like fighting and dying for basic human rights. And I just wanted to share resources, especially on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I have been posting a lot of resources and information and kind of just like things to help us all participate in this movement. So I've been sharing that a lot on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me, then go follow me there. It's all about just knowing, like acknowledging this is happening and just not being ignorant to the current situation that our country is in. But yeah, I just wanted to briefly address that. And I've talked to a few of you like in my DMs, and yeah, I'm really happy that you guys are you know, very inspired as well and looking to join the conversation as well. So I wanted to vlog today. I don't really have much going on today, but I have some packages that I want to open and show you guys, do a little bit of an unboxing, and then I have a huge home decor haul that I've been planning on showing you guys for like 2 weeks. I kind of started redesigning my bedroom and a little bit of my apartment, mostly my bedroom. So I wanted to show you guys all of the stuff that I have collected over the past 2 weeks. And I'll also be filming a room tour, probably not this video, but I'm gonna probably do a separate video about that. I have made a lot of updates to my bedroom, and the last time you guys kind of saw a full overview of my bedroom was in my apartment tour, which is over a year ago, and a lot has changed since then in my bedroom. So I wanted to give you guys an updated room tour. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. It's another chill day. Anto's gonna come over later and we're gonna probably cook and just have another movie night, which I have no problem with. It's actually gonna rain today, I think. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And now let me open my packages. Okay, the first thing I got is from, it's from this store called Created by Two. It's like a t-shirt shop. Hello, I'm what you've been waiting for. Yes, honey, you have been. It's like a beige, or I think it's yellow. And it has Chanel on it. On the website it's one size fits all, but this is a large. So yeah, it's meant to be like baggy. But this is a shop that I found on Instagram. I think they have other designers like YSL. Yeah, that's cute, love that. This is from Anthropologie. Oh my god, what? I placed this order like last night. I either placed this order yesterday or 2 days ago. I got some soaps from Anthropologie. They're two of the same ones, I got two of them. Sparkly Basics. I liked the aesthetic. Black and white, very simple. This is Necessary. It's the body brand of like body wash, body scrubs, lotions. It included this free brush. This is just a really nice design. And I've seen these on Amazon for like $20. This came free with my purchase. Nice packaging. And they had different scents. I believe I got no fragrance because I am kind of sensitive to smells and fragrances. And I've never tried this brand before, but I've seen this a lot and I was really intrigued by it. But I've heard a lot of really, really good things about this brand. It helps, you know, soften your skin, and it's good at exfoliating. But yeah, I'm really excited about these products. I'm gonna take a nice bath today with all of these, and I can give you guys an update on how I like it. Last package I got is a food subscription service. It's from Everplate. If you guys have never heard of them, they are, like I said, a delivery food subscription. You can get meals delivered to you, like all the ingredients for meals. It comes with instructions and pretty much everything you need to make whatever meal you chose. It's so convenient, especially if you're like a parent or if you have a very busy life and it's really hard to find time to cook. This is a quick and convenient way. So yeah, it comes with the instructions for each. So let's see, I got here the Mediterranean lemon chicken bowl. Oh my god, yum. I got guacamole burgers, hoisin sriracha chicken. Here's the sriracha chicken. Oh my god, the guacamole burgers. This looks so good. I might make this tonight. And then I think I'm gonna make this right now because I'm hungry and I haven't had lunch. I'm gonna make the Mediterranean lemon chicken bowl. And all the ingredients come packaged like this. It's wrapped with like ice packs, so it's all ventilated inside. It'll keep your ingredients cold when it gets delivered. So I'm gonna just take this camera and show you guys what the inside looks like. So here are all my ingredients. Here's the buns for the burgers. And then I got all my veggies. Got all of my like sauces and seasonings. So it comes with all the meat, it comes with the veggies, rice, and it comes with the spices like I said, and all the produce. And it's very easy to follow along. It'll tell you what you need for each meal. And then on the back it has the instructions. So I'm gonna make this really quick and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right, you guys, here is the final product. It looks so delicious. Oh my God. So here we have on the bottom my rice. If you guys can see it, I like poured it up. Here's the chicken with the Turkish seasoning. And then on the top I have my salad with just red onion, cucumber, tomato, a little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil, and topped it with some sour cream and feta cheese. And it smells amazing. And I can't wait to eat this. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna eat now and I will get back to you guys after I eat. Okay guys, I finished my lunch. It was so delicious. I'm very full now. So now I wanted to show you guys my home decor haul. And like I said, I got a lot of things collectively over the past probably like month, honestly. So I'm gonna just show you guys randomly what I got in no particular order at all. But here's the first thing that I got, and it's the thing I am most excited about because I have wanted this Tom Ford book that literally everyone has for like months, for like a whole year. Ever since I moved into my new apartment, I really wanted it. This is expensive. It's like $100. But to me, this is a really big investment piece because no matter where I live, in my apartment, in my next apartment, when I get my future house one day, I know I'm gonna be using this wherever I go. It looks good with any home decor, so I just thought it was a really good investment piece. Also, it's just like a really cool book. Like if you actually look through it, like the pictures are amazing. Huge Tom Ford fan. So it's a really cool book. This thing is huge. This has been on my TV stand for the past, ever since I got it, and I love how it looks. And it's just a really cool book. So sticking to books, I did get another set of books, and call me crazy, but I was looking for a set of books that I could use as decoration, like just having a nice set, like a book stack that were the colors I liked. So this one came with like a white, gray, and a black one, and I got this on Etsy. You might think I'm crazy for buying books based on the way they look, but actually before I bought them, like obviously I like the way they look, but I looked at the books that they are, and I researched the books, and I was like, wow, I'm actually interested in reading those, so I will probably read these. So don't worry, I'm not just using this for decoration. Do you guys think I'm crazy for buying that? I don't know, but I like books and I like the colors of them. So you're gonna see a trend with the things that I have in this haul. Everything's black and white because I feel like my aesthetic is really changing. I used to be, if you guys saw my apartment tour, I was so into like white, gold, marble, like white and gold. But now I'm really loving white and black. I just feel like it's very modern and I like how minimalistic it is. Yeah, everything is pretty much black and white. So the next thing I have here are these art prints and these frames, which did all come separately. The prints came together, but the picture frames came separately. So the prints are from Amazon. It was like $14 for the 4 of them. It's very nice, minimal, like drawings. It comes on like cardstock, so it's really good quality too. And then the frames are from Michaels, and the set of 4 frames are $20. So for all of this is like $34, so not too bad. And then this is a cute little thing I picked up from, I think it was either CB2 or West Elm, but it's a little 5-minute hourglass, and it's just a cute little piece. And I have this on my TV stand. I put this next to the Tom Ford book, and I think they look really cute together. And then the next thing I got is a Jo Malone candle, and I ordered this from Nordstrom, and I love how they included the full packaging. Like they have the bag and it's in the box. So this is my first time ever buying a Jo Malone candle, but I wanted one forever. So I just finally took the leap of faith and bought one. And then I believe I got the, what's it? It's the Blackberry and Bay candle. It's a nice little size. I plan on putting this on my coffee table. I hope the smell is good. I read reviews and people said the smell of this was good. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Okay, yeah, that's really nice. So I am excited to light that up. That's been sitting in the corner of my apartment for almost a month. I didn't want to open it until I showed it to you guys in this vlog. So I'm finally excited to start using it. I'm gonna put it on my table right now. Next, I got this. Well, these are two separate things. They came separately, but I don't want to take these plants out of this vase because if you guys know pampas plants, these shed like crazy. So if any movement, they're gonna all shed. I'm gonna have to vacuum my floor. Okay, pampas plants, I started to get into them. I've always wanted to get pampas plants, but I had no idea where to get like really nice, good quality ones. So I've just been addicted to Etsy for the past 2 months. So I got these from Etsy. They came with 3 stems, and when you first get them, they're really scrunched up, so you have to kind of scrunch them all out. And I advise you to do this outside. So I had to do this on my balcony because they shed everywhere. And then the vase is from West Elm, and I didn't want just like a plain, like slim, no texture vase. I wanted something that really stood out and had texture to it, so I like the design of this. I just love the very modern vibe of it, and I think it looks really good with my pampas plants. This vase was really cheap too. From West Elm, this was like maybe $12 or $8. It was like definitely under 15. So I actually got a lot of things from West Elm. I got a lot of bedding things because I was just tired of my boring white bedding and I wanted to change things up. So I got this huge blanket. This is like a throw blanket, but I keep it like on the bottom of my bed. Again, I didn't want just a plain like fuzzy blanket like those, you know, ones you see on Amazon. I mean, those are nice too, but I wanted something that had texture to it so that it would stand out. And I love this especially for summer because it's not heavy. Like, it is heavy and it keeps you warm. Like, I feel like my body can breathe when I wear it, if you know what I mean. Just the material of it is very breathable. So I love to just sleep with this sometimes, especially now it's hot outside. I don't even use my comforter half the time. And I wanted to add a pop of black to my bed. So that was like a perfect piece for me. Then I got a duvet cover. It's white. I know I said I was getting tired of like my plain white bedding, but this one really stood out to me because it has like texture to it. So it's actually kind of hard to see right now. So I'm gonna just insert a photo of what it looks like online so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, I really like how it has like the kind of cross designs, like the lines. You know, again, I want more texture to my furniture and my bedding. Although it's still plain white, I like how it has like a little bit of like texture to it. Just take a shot every time I say the word texture in this video. What I also got from West Elm are these pillow covers, and I got this specifically because of all the colors that are in it. So if you guys know my bed, my headboard is like a turquoise blue, and for literally a year I had no idea how to like blend colors together with my headboard. That's why my bed's like plain white, because I don't know how else to match it with my headboard. So I figured I would add some black to it, and I figured I should just add, you know, a mix of colors, make it really like modern and colorful. So that's why these pillow covers really stood out to me. Came in a set of 2. This just came with the covers. It didn't come with the insert. I already had the insert for my previous pillows, but it's 20 by 20. So I have just a few more things left that I want to show. They aren't small things that I could just show you right now. They're actually like stationed around my apartment, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. But the first thing I can show you, kind of, I got an espresso machine. If you guys saw my Instagram stories from like a month ago, I got this machine and I've been completely obsessed with it. This is just the box, so I'm gonna go show you guys the machine in my kitchen. So here's my machine. It's not too big. I like how small and like slim it is. So this thing is like adjustable. You can like change the like height of it depending on the size of your coffee cup. And then this is where the water goes. It's empty, you have to fill it up. And then the back of it is cool because every time you open it, okay, let me just turn it on. So every time you open it, this is how you lift it. Just tap on it. It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can tell, but the pod like is here, and then every time you lift it up, it goes back into this thing. So all the pods are in here. You don't have to keep throwing it away every time. You just like wait till it fills up, and then you can recycle them when you're done. I also got this little thing here. I got from Amazon. It's a storage for all of your little pods. I just think it's so sleek looking. It's so like modern, and it's a great way to keep them organized, and you can just easily sit your Nespresso on top of it. And then I also got a frother. It didn't come with this. I had to buy it separately, so that's coming in the mail. So there's 2 more things that I want to show you as part of my home decor haul. They're in my bedroom and they're furniture pieces, so I didn't want to move them. So I'll show you guys that really quickly. This is going to be a little preview of my bedroom tour. So the first thing I got is this little ottoman or poof, whatever you want to call it. I got this from Wayfair, and it's like so fuzzy. It's so soft. It's really sturdy too, so you can sit on here, but the thing is it's kind of low, but you can like easily sit on here, or you can put things on top of it like books or whatever, bags. So I love it. I love the color. It's like an off-white. It's not completely white, but I think it looks really nice with like my rug. And then this is the other piece I wanted to show. It's this acrylic console table, which is also from Wayfair, and I got so many questions on that table when I showed this on my Instagram story, and I just love it. It's such good quality. And then here's another little sneak peek of my bedroom tour. This is where that West Elm black black vase with the pampas plants usually is. So yeah, this is all of the preview I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is all for my home haul. I hope you enjoyed all those things that I showed, and I'm going to link everything in my description if you want to check it out. And you guys will get to see those things like in action, I guess, or in its place when I show my bedroom tour, which will be the next video after this one. So stay tuned for that. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. Anto's coming over. It's about 5 o'clock right now, and we're gonna just eat dinner. I'm gonna cook some dinner, and then we're gonna go nowhere. We're gonna stay in my apartment and we're gonna probably watch some movies. Maybe sit on the balcony because it's nice weather outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.